Let's prep this all grass Air Jordan 1. So in the past videos, I've been crafting this all grass Air Jordan 1 and it is coming out very nice, but today we gotta prep it and get it ready for the sole. Now the material that I'm using with this is artificial turf. This is the exact same stuff that you put out on your lawn. So the bottom has a rubber finish with rubber texture. So what we gotta do is flip all this up and get it all prepped because we gotta flatten it out in order for it to go on the sole. Now if you're new to the channel, I'm posting a video every single day. We have multiple videos up to this point, so definitely check those out. For all my sneaker builds, I just use standard contact cement. I got multiple brands, but this is a brand that we're using today. I also use Barge, but I just got to get underneath the area. I got to glue down the liner, wait a little bit, then glue down the turf, and from there we're going to shave it down, get our lawnmower out, you know, so it gets right in the perfect amount of depth so we can put the sole onto it. This is a process in this video that I'm really concerned about because I have no idea what the glue wants to do with the turf. I don't know if it wants to stick. It might not even stick. We got to find out, because if it doesn't stick, we are all screwed and we cannot finish this sneaker. So we're pretty much finalizing the bottom of the shoe and getting it prepped for the sole. Now I'm pushing down all the turf so it does stay down, and I'm crossing my fingers that it does stay down because it's all glued and I have no idea what it's gonna do with the turf on the bottom, right? Because the bottom is the rubber, but also on the back side, we gotta cut all this excess because that's gonna like take a lot of space for the heel, and then it won't go fully down into the sole. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep on pressing it down so it's flat, remove the nails and cut the excess back here, and hopefully we're done. Fingers crossed. If you wanna learn to make a shoe just like this, join my shoemaking course, link down in the description. I teach you from start to finish how to make patterns, deconstruct, reconstruct, how to make your own sneaker. So we teach you through high Jordans, right? But you can apply that to Dunks, Air Force Ones. You can apply it to anything you want. Join today, link down in the description. Teach you how to make your own shoe, 100% online. Now this is a really messy shoe. As you just saw, I shaved the whole bottom down as well as the side walls, and it was just grass flinging everywhere. I mean, if you walked in here right now, it looked like I just mowed the lawn. I mean, at this point, we need the lawnmower going on, but I trimmed it all down. I trimmed all the sides, I trimmed all the bottom because we have to make it nice and flat. Now I got the sole right here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, but it's looking very nice. I cut all of that down. Boom. It's looking rough, looking a little bit weak on the bottom, but the side is very nice because we're just shaving it down. We're getting nice and flat for the sole. Now the next step of what I got to do is I pretty much got to find a way to glue the side without it like getting all tangled into the grass where it will stick to the sidewall. That's the thing that I'm worried about right now. Now the bottom we don't have to worry about. Just glue it down. Glue it down, right? Now you should probably be using something like leather knives. I just stick to the box cutter because it's handy dandy. It's at Walmart and it works every time. This bad boy has never failed me when making shoes. So what I did was just cut out all the junk, got my scythe, and then if you see on TikTok, it's just spraying everywhere. The grass is just spraying everywhere. So I was like, okay, whatever. But I gotta get it all done. I got a little bit of underneath right there, but I mean, I'm not worried about that. That's, hey, gonna happen. Plus the sole, it's gonna hug right over. But I mean, it is looking fantastic. I love how the look is. Now, the problem that we mentioned in the last video, I've been posting every single day, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, is this gonna fit in the sole? Like, I don't know. Hold on, let me see. I mean, we're close right now. Oh my gosh, check, yo. Yo, hold on. This is tough, dude. This is tough. Wow, everything's not, it's not yellow anymore. Yo, this is crazy. Now if I slide in the toe in the front and then we're gonna, oh my god. See, this is a problem that we're working with. This is a problem that I mentioned. There's gonna be so much stinking material because of how thick it is that it just does not want to go. I mean, it should go like that, but it's going like, we gotta go that. I mean, I don't know. That's something we gotta work around with. It's not a bad problem, but it is a problem that we're gonna work around with. I mean, but yo, we gotta look at this again. Look at how that's tough, dude. That, hey, smash the like button for this because this is pretty awesome. I'm just finding out that I skived too much on the toe, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hammer it back in. So there we go. So at least it doesn't move overnight. I'm gonna glue it down and then it'll be good in the morning. See, this is what I'm worried about because the toe is now starting to peel up. So we gotta make it really fast in order to put this on here, but I still got to keep this overnight again because I want it to settle and form because now all the pieces are down. I don't want to really, you know, add that on there. Now look at, right? So what did we do? We formed the upper, we shaved it all down. I'm just nervous about it staying tacky with the glue because there's so much open space. We got to prep this. I'm going to be prepping this, and before you know it, we add it. But I mean, I guess it fits. I mean, we're gonna look at this. Look at that. Look at the nail. Look at the nail. Oh no. Oh. Let me know what you think about this. Comment down below. What other ideas do you want to see? I got so many stinking ideas that I want to play around with, but hey, let me know because you guys, you know, gotta make a cool video. I'm posting videos every single day. You're gonna want to tune in tomorrow because I'm gonna be posting the final reveal of the sneaker. We're gonna be finishing up, wrapping it up. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Check this video out right here. Boop.